So this is right here, the driveway to the Los Alamos property, or Los Amigos property. So it's a busy road. It's Curry Ford Road, and this is Los Amigos. And I haven't been to the house yet, but this is on the corner, and this is the entrance. So I'm gonna go back there now. No, that's not the house. So this is the house. Okay, so 3 driveways, huge space back there, all the way back, that fence way back there. And I'm gonna walk around, barrel tile roof, single owners. Kind of weird, kind of different getting in here, but sure is a lot of land back here. Wow. No pool. There's a fence right there. Has some livestock if you want. Looks like there's a couple of goats over there. Back porch. A sheep, I guess there's a sheep. Guest house over there, they said. It's long and narrow back there. Looks like some kind of a like a stable or garage or something. Hold on. Little guest house. Sheep. You guys hungry? They're coming to investigate. Camera, 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 camera. Alrighty, here's your grand entrance. Beautiful doors. Wow, etched glass. Very nice. Okay, so when you walk in the door, see this. She didn't turn the lights on. Okay, look to the right. We have a formal seating area. To the left, we have a formal dining room. Crown molding everywhere. Okay, so I'll start off here. This looks like the master suite, I would bet. Okay, so here we have, well, maybe not. Maybe this is a kid's room. Okay, so we have here nice wood, looks like bamboo flooring. We've got, looks like a Jack and Jill bathroom with a shower and a bathtub, and then nice quartz in here. Yep, and another bedroom. And this has engineered wood. Probably another kid's room. Okay, so that's 2 bedrooms. And then come out here. And this looks like bedroom number 3. And all 3 of these are on one side of the house. Definitely moving or packing up stuff. Okay. And then appears to be a guest bathroom with a shower. Okay, so 3 bedrooms, and here is the kitchen. All right, got kitchen here, stove, microwave, high ceilings, eat-in kitchen, eat-in area right here, breakfast bar. Go back through there is the formal dining room where we came in. And then through here is the living room. Very high ceilings. And big room. Very big room. Fireplace there. Custom tile. Okay, so go from here and looking for the master. All right, so front door, come over here, and this has got to be the master. Oh yes, oh yes, nice engineered wood floors, tray ceilings, very nice view, very private, very, very private. Overlooking the backyard and the sheep, and here is the master, and here's the master bath. Very big. Okay, huge mirror when you walk in. Bathtub, etched glass, closet in the bathroom, number 1, and it's got to be a closet number 2 over here. Yep, closet number 2. And your linen closet. Okay, and then here's your shower. Huge. Alrighty, and that's about it, guys. Did I miss anything? The garage, hold on. 2-car garage, lights, lots of lights. And chickens, lots of chickens.